In this video, I am going to show you how to activate free SSL in Bluehost. So let's see how we can do it. So to activate your free SSL, at first we need to log into our Bluehost portal. So go to bluehost.com and then from the top just click on login. And this will take you to the Bluehost dashboard login page. And this will take you to the dashboard of your Bluehost account. Now to activate free SSL in Bluehost for any of your WordPress website, from the left menu just click on My Sites, and here you will see all the websites that you have created with Bluehost, and after that next to your website you will see a Manage Site button, so just click on it. And here you will see all the settings for your website. Now from the top menu we are going to select security, and here you will see an option for the SSL certificate. So if you want to install free SSL on your Bluehost website, just turn it on, and in this way SSL will be installed on your Bluehost website. But in case something went wrong, then you can turn it off and then you can chat with the Bluehost agent and ask them about your problem. So this is how you can activate free SSL in Bluehost. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.